Ka Director General of Police DGP Kejela kakong Ida Shisha nongrang kala Kyntait banyak kren ya ka jingtohkit halor ka jingbthei hapo ka parti dewiong da ka bakedau bakani kakam kadang don mentah hapo ka yingka syari. Ngam kwa ban kento halor kani kakam namar kadang don aha ka jingkmi jong ka yingka syari ka jingbishar ka babut kan long hakasan tarik leber kala ong haba benrab baki pulit ka East Jaintia Hills bat ki wei ki unit kila shimkhia halor ka kamti bat shalan dewiong bean. Halor ka jingbthei ban pentri kam perking ya kaan ka kong Ida Shisha kala ong basan teli ki kenhun haringkat ki magistrate bat ki he ka tenat mining bat transport kila beteng ban penlong ka jingkhenra ya ki jaka man kesngi. Wat henin kesngi layo ban kurup hadu kumbah nriu pu arton udewyong kala benrap. Haba keli halor ka jingklan ha ka jingdon jong ki bor pulit kala kubur ya ka jingduna da ka bakedau ba arhajar pras pa ngut ki dekhot ki betmai kindang wan penyaso ha ka tayo ban wan. Kindang hab ban yai lingba ya ki jinghikai ngidang khmi benia bakan shimpor kumba kendai du shipho banai hashua bangin la ban pha ya ki kala ong.
I'm not too sure whether they'll be surrenderies or arrested or otherwise. Comment on that. That is sub judice. On the 5th, you will have the next hearing. You all are well aware what the court has, the observations that the court has made. You would also be aware of the number of things that the East Jaintia Hills Police, not only East Jaintia Hills Police, but the police at large has been the actions that we have taken. So beyond that, I wouldn't. It keeps changing because every day they are going. There are 5 teams which were constituted to go to different things, both with the other stakeholders, whether it's magistrates, whether it's from the DMR, whether it's from the transport department. Those teams continue to go to carry out their raids, and even yesterday there was, if I'm not mistaken, about 62 metric tons of coal, estimate, was seized. So that figure keeps changing because every day we do have. Not really. We really have a shortage. These 2,800 who will be inducted next week on the 5th. But even those also they would have to still undergo their basic training. So we're looking at a minimum of 9 to 10 months before we can actually deploy them in the areas.